Mga clear na salvation verses number 37 sa Galatians 3:23-24. Basahin natin. But before faith came, we were kept under guard by the law, kept for the faith which would afterward be revealed. Therefore, the law was our tutor to bring us to Christ, that we might be justified by faith. Sinasabi rito na bago tayo nananampalataya, yung mga utos ni Lord Jesus Christ, yung Ten Commandments, ay kinikip tayo under guard para hindi dumami ang kasalanan natin. Kinikip tayo para dun sa pananampalataya or faith na darating at marireveal sa atin. Kaya nga sinasabi rito na ang batas o yung Ten Commandments ay isang tutor lang, schoolmaster sa ibang translation, para ilapit tayo kay Christ. Para, sabi rito, manampalataya tayo sa Kanya at ma-justify tayo through faith, trust, or believe kay Lord Jesus Christ.